Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to activate Google Assistant with voice. Firstly, open the Google app on your phone and tap the three dots on the bottom right corner. Select Settings from the menu and tap Voice, then select Voice Match. On the Voice Match screen, turn on Hey Google by swiping the slider to the right. Follow the on-screen instructions to train Google Assistant to recognize your voice. Say Hey Google or OK Google a few times when prompted. Also say Hey Google or OK Google to check if it responds. If it works, you're all set. If not, check your microphone settings. Just a tip, you can also use keyboard icon in the app to type commands instead of speaking. Now you're ready to use Google Assistant on your iPhone or iOS device. Let me know if you need further assistance. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.